Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the adjective concerned. What does it mean to be concerned, and how can we use it effectively in our everyday conversations? Well, simply put, concern means worried, troubled, or anxious about something. It also implies having an interest or involvement in something. Thinking about someone's well-being or something's welfare is being concerned. We use concern to express our worries, to show that we care, or to indicate our involvement in a particular matter. Now, let's explore some synonyms for concerned. One common synonym is worried. For instance, instead of saying I am concerned about the weather, you could say I am worried about the weather. Both convey a similar sense of anxiety or apprehension. Another synonym is anxious, which suggests a higher level of unease. You might say, she was anxious about the upcoming exam, indicating a significant degree of worry. Troubled is another word we can use, suggesting a deeper level of concern, almost bordering on being disturbed. Or distressed, for example, he seemed troubled by the news, implying the news caused him significant worry. You can also use apprehensive, meaning anxious or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen, such as, they felt apprehensive about the meeting, indicating a nervousness about a possible outcome. Lastly, let's consider interested, which captures the involvement aspect of concerned. He is interested in environmental issues, shows he is concerned about environmental issues. Now let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning. A key antonym is unconcerned, meaning not worried or anxious. Instead of I am concerned about the cost, you could say I am unconcerned about the cost, to show you don't care about the price. Indifferent is another antonym, suggesting a lack of interest or sympathy. You might say she seemed indifferent to their problems, meaning she didn't show any care or concern. Careless is an antonym which suggests a lack of attention or caution. If someone is not concerned, you could say, he was careless with a vase and dropped it. Untroubled is an antonym that means free from worry or problems. Example, she seemed untroubled by the situation, suggesting she was not at all concerned. Finally, let's use detached, implying a lack of emotional involvement. He remained detached from the drama, means he wasn't concerned about the drama. So, how can you use concerned in everyday life? You might say, I'm concerned about your health, to express your worry for someone, or she's concerned about the environment, to show her dedication and involvement in environmental issues. You could also use it in the phrase as far as I'm concerned, which means in my opinion or from my point of view. For example, as far as I'm concerned, this is the best solution. Some more examples of concerned in sentences and phrases include, the doctor is concerned about the patient's test results. The parents are concerned about their child's safety online. Many people are concerned about climate change. He expressed his concerned opinion at the meeting. The company is concerned with customer satisfaction. To summarize, concern means worried or involved. Synonyms include worried, anxious, troubled, apprehensive, and interested, while antonyms include unconcerned, indifferent, careless, untroubled, and detached. Remember, concerned is a versatile word that you can use to express a range of emotions and show your involvement in various situations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Your support helps others find the show, too. Make sure you don't miss future episodes. Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Also, as an exercise, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word concerned and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading your sentences and seeing how you put this word into practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Goodbye.